Kheer is a delicious dessert. Immediately after cooking, it looks like this. This one is after 8 hours. It becomes chilled and thick after refrigerating it for a day.
Hello friends, hope you are doing well. It is very hard to make children have milk, and it is harder to make them have dry fruits and nuts. So this time I have prepared kheer in such a way that children will love to have. It is very tasty as well as healthy and nutritious. In the summer, everyone will love to have a chilled kheer after coming back to home from a hot sun. Moreover, after meal, chilled kheer served as dessert will give you an awesome dining experience. So what are we waiting for? Let's start.
Soak 20 almonds for some hours. Peel those and grind those along with pistachio and cashew. You can make a paste too. Soak a handful rice for 30 minutes. I have taken total 800 ml whole milk by using 400 ml measuring cup twice. Start up the burner and keep stirring it. Add soaked rice cautiously to the milk as the milk is hot. It may spill over. Stir it and bring it to boil. Now add khoya kheer, which I have taken out of the freezer beforehand as shown. It will make kheer thicker. Add 5 teaspoons of sugar as I will use condensed milk in this preparation. I am adding only 5 teaspoons of sugar now, will add more later if needed. Stir properly. Now let's add saffron. Saffron milk is healthy and it will add a beautiful color, mind-blowing aroma and superb taste in kheer. Then add ground nuts. Here I use total 60 to 70 nuts. You can use more. Add 15 to 20 raisins and stir properly. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. Please press the bell icon to get the notifications of my all videos. If you like, please share my video to others. I will wait for your like and comment. I am adding 3 to 4 condensed milk now, which will make kheer thicker and give a sweet taste. I am sharing some of my good recipes in my description box. Please check those. Try those at your home and let me know. Stir it properly. Let me check. I am adding 2 teaspoons of sugar according to my taste. Now the last ingredient is tutti frutti. Use 2 to 3 handfuls of this. These are very attractive and nice to eat. Stir properly. Switch off the burner. Make it cool. Please try to mix all the ingredients one by one in 2 to 3 minutes gap. Put it in refrigerator. Enjoy chilled kheer whenever you wish. Take care. Bye-bye.